Welcome to today's video on the healthiest ways to drink your coffee. For many of us, it's more than just a drink. It's a ritual, a moment of calm and that gentle push that starts the day. But here's the interesting part. What you add to your coffee can completely change its impact on your health. Coffee itself is rich in antioxidants and can support brain function, heart health, and even metabolism. However, once we pour in the sugar, heavy cream, or flavored syrup, those benefits can quickly disappear. So today, we'll explore 7 of the healthiest, dietitian-approved ways to drink your coffee. Small changes that can make a big difference to your daily cup. Number 1. Have it plain and black. If you already drink your coffee black, you're off to a great start. Black coffee is naturally low in calories, free from added sugar, and packed with antioxidants such as chlorogenic acid. These compounds can help reduce inflammation and support blood sugar control. It's one of the simplest and healthiest ways to enjoy coffee. Just be mindful of how much you drink and when you drink it. Too much caffeine late in the day can interfere with your sleep. Number 2. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon or cardamom. This is one of the easiest ways to boost both flavor and nutrition. A small dash of cinnamon or cardamom added to your coffee grounds before brewing adds warmth, aroma, and potential health perks. Cinnamon may help balance blood sugar levels and offers anti-inflammatory properties, while cardamom provides antioxidants and can support digestion. Together, they not only elevate the taste, but also enhance coffee's natural benefits. Number 3. Flavor it naturally with vanilla or almond extract. If you usually rely on sweet syrups or flavored creamers, this is a much healthier swap. Just a few drops of pure vanilla or almond extract can give your coffee a gentle sweetness and an inviting aroma, without the sugar or extra calories. Vanilla, for instance, contains trace antioxidants and can help reduce the need for added sweetness. If you still prefer a little sweetness, try a natural option such as stevia or monk fruit instead of white sugar. Your coffee will still taste delicious, and your body will thank you. Number 4. Mix in a spoonful of cocoa. This one's for chocolate lovers. Adding a spoon of unsweetened cocoa powder to your coffee not only deepens the flavor, but also boosts its antioxidant content. Cocoa has been linked to heart health and mood support, and research suggests that when combined with coffee, both ingredients can enhance each other's benefits. If you want to take it a step further, try adding a pinch of cinnamon or a few drops of vanilla extract to create a healthier version of a mocha. Rich, satisfying, and good for you. Number 5. Add protein or collagen. This is a simple way to turn your coffee into a functional, more filling drink. Mix in a scoop of unflavored collagen powder or blend your coffee with protein powder. Protein helps you stay full longer and keeps your energy steady throughout the morning, while collagen supports skin elasticity and joint health. Combined with caffeine, it makes for a smooth, energizing start to your day, especially if you're not having a full breakfast. Number 6. Add a little milk, but choose wisely. If you like your coffee creamy, you don't have to give that up. Just make smarter choices about what you pour in. Skim milk adds protein and calcium without much fat. Unsweetened oat milk is another great choice, offering creaminess and a naturally smooth taste without added sugar. Non-dairy options like almond or soy milk work too, but check the labels. Some contain added oils or sweeteners. The key is to keep it simple and natural, avoiding flavored creamers that are often loaded with sugar and saturated fat. Number 7. Try coffee with ginger or chili. This one might surprise you. Adding a pinch of ground ginger or chili powder to your coffee grounds can create a drink that's both flavorful and functional. Ginger supports digestion and helps ease nausea, while chili contains capsaicin, a compound known to boost metabolism and circulation. It adds a gentle warming kick that wakes up your body and your taste buds. It's an adventurous twist that's as healthy as it is energizing. Now let's wrap it all up. Your coffee can be much more than a caffeine fix. It can be a health-supportive ritual that works with your body instead of against it. The key is to keep things clean and simple. Skip the excess sugar, use natural ingredients, and experiment with small additions that bring both flavor and function. Whether you prefer it black, spiced, or creamy, each of these 7 methods can help you enjoy your coffee in a healthier, more mindful way. So tomorrow morning, when you brew that familiar cup, remember, a few thoughtful tweaks can turn your coffee from a habit into a wellness ritual. Please do subscribe to our channel.